Reported cases of shop worker abuse have doubled during the coronavirus pandemic, and now trade union USDAW has launched a petition for new legislation to properly protect retail staff. We're joined now by Doug Russell, who is a health and safety officer at USDAW. Thanks for joining us. How big of a problem is this?
Well, the problem of violence and abuse towards retail staff is one that has been getting worse over the last couple of years. It's always been an issue, but there's been a sharp upturn over the last couple of years, particularly linked to shoplifting and to the sale of age-restricted products. What was really shocking for us was when we did some research in March and April this year, we found that the rates of violence and abuse had doubled during the pandemic period. We talked to 5,000 shop workers in that 1 month, and of those 5,000, there were about 1,400 who were reporting serious verbal abuse, and nearly 200 who were actually saying they've been physically assaulted in that 1 month alone.
Has the introduction of face masks caused further problems?
Well, we think that's just been yet another trigger which has led to an increase in some of the assault, the violence that people have experienced. We know for a fact that the Co-op, for example, reported they had 990 incidents of abuse in the first week when face coverings were introduced, and we're beginning to pick up similar reports from other employers as well.
And of course, what do you hope to achieve with this petition?
Along with the retail employers, we've been campaigning for some time to try and persuade the government that what we need is a change to legislation, a simple law that makes it absolutely clear that it is unacceptable to assault or abuse a shop worker in the course of their employment. And if you're caught doing it, then you would face serious penalties as a result. In a similar way that has already been done for emergency workers in this country, for example. Unfortunately, although the government did listen to us a bit last year and launched a call for evidence to look into it more closely, when they came back eventually with a reply to the call for evidence, and the purpose of the parliamentary petition is to enlist the support of the public to try and get the message across to the government that they do need to act now.